How to troubleshoot Rosetta Stone login issues. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can troubleshoot Rosetta Stone login issues. So if you are experiencing login issues with your Rosetta Stone, here are some steps that you can take. So by trying to log in, and you click on the login option, and the first step is to ensure that you select the right type of account that you have. This is because if you are using a personal account and then you selected work and school, you might not be able to log in into that account. So ensure you select the right type of account, number one, and then ensure that you're entering in the correct email and password. Remember, the email field is case sensitive, so ensure you enter in the correct credentials. All right, and then if perhaps you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it. Click on forgot password, and then you'll be redirected to your Chrome. Ensure you follow all the procedures in order for you to reset the password. All right, another thing that you can try is to, if you are using the web, for example, if you're finding it difficult to log in through the web, ensure you clear your browser cache and cookies. And if it's on the site, ensure you clear your app cache as well. And you can do so by heading over to your settings page or your settings application. Then once you're on the settings page, scroll up until you can see the option apps. All right, applications, then click on manage apps. All right, and then you wait for all of your applications to be displayed, and then you can go ahead and search out your Rosetta Stone. Then once you're on this page, by the bottom part of the page, note that this can differ depending on the kind of application or the kind of phone, the kind of mobile device that you're using. So for my own type, at the bottom part, you'll see the option first stop on install clear data. So just click on clear data. So you can decide to clear all data or you can decide to clear your cache. By clearing your cache, all unnecessary things that can cause glitches will be cleared. But by clearing your data, it means that you are clearing everything on the application and then you have to start all over again. So choose the one that suits best for you. And after doing that, try opening the application and see if you'll be able to log in. But if it still doesn't work, another thing you can do is to check your internet connection. Check it to be sure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. And then you can also try to update the application. All right, sometimes if the application is not updated, you might not be able to use the application the way you want. So go to your Play Store or your App Store, click on the search icon, and then type out your application, which is Rosetta Stone, and then try to see if there is a recent update on the application. So if there is a recent update on the application, instead of seeing open here, you'll see the option update. Just click on it and then the application will be updated. Once it's updated, try logging in again and by now it will definitely work. But after trying all of this and it's still not working, the next thing you can do is to contact the Rosetta Stone support for further assistance. So, but I'm sure after trying all of this, your application should be up and running again. So this is it. This is how you can, these are the various ways you can troubleshoot Rosetta Stone login issues. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice time learning on the application. Have a nice day.